Hey guys, Patrick over at Bath Solutions. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to do our new countertop formula. This is easy. We just pour and roll the Ekopel 2K, and then from there we stamp in the color. One action, one coat, none of this 3-coat system stuff. So let's see what it looks like to have a 6-year-old do it. All right, so first thing, we're gonna take our pre-mixed material. This is just our simple Ekopel Countertop Kit. And with this, you're gonna do the same mix pattern as all of our other materials. 10 minutes of hand mixing, 5 minutes of rest, 1 minute remix, and then go ahead and pour it right on the surface. So we're gonna go ahead and, after you've already poured it, you're gonna move everything around with the foam roller, make sure everything's nice and level, nice and even. For a 6-year-old, it's a little bit more tricky. You needed to roll over the entire surface a couple of more times, but if you just spread it evenly when you pour it, you can quickly roll everything out, level it all in, and once everything's got a nice even coat of either the white or the black, you'll be able to start with your accent colors and get the grid nice and perfect. So now that he's got everything all leveled out and all even, he'll go ahead and he'll be able to start dabbing his other material on there. So with this process, we're gonna mix our secondary kit, which will be our black material. And then we're gonna take our pre-cut piece of sponge. We're gonna dip it into the black and we're gonna start dabbing it onto the surface. So again, for a 6-year-old, it's a little bit more tricky, but he's getting it pretty quickly. And once you dab all the areas nice and evenly, you'll see that everything levels itself out and everything has a nice consistent pattern. So young or old, you can get a nice consistent pattern out of Ekopel Countertop. So it's available on Amazon. It's available on refinishedbathsolutions.com. So if you have any other questions, we have longer, more detailed videos, but we wanted to show you how simple it was for a little guy to do it. So order yours today. Again, refinishedbathsolutions.com. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.